I want to show you my whoop kit. So here I have two NewBeeDrone Acrobees. Particularly, we have one here, which is for FrSky S-Bus. And then I have another one here that is DSMX. Now, I particularly like this one. I mean, they both fly the same. They've got the NewBeeDrone V2 with the gold motors. They now have the candy props, which have 4 blades. I have to put those on. But other than that, it's the same, all the same Acrobee V2 components. Now, the reason I really like the DSMX version is because I built like a portable whoop kit that I don't have to go and dig in my main stuff, in my main FPV bag. So I have this Spektrum DX6, which was my first radio. I used to fly fixed wing with it, and then my first couple of FPV quads, I put them on this. And I still have it, and I like it because I just use it now for these things. And I have another set of goggles, which are these. These are my original Dom V2s, and I now just use them for the tiny whoops. So what I do here is, in order to be portable, I've got, let me see, I put my DSMX kit there, which I identify with one pinchy. That one goes there. This guy, it's my FrSky one, but I normally don't carry this in the kit because otherwise I have to carry my Taranis with me. I have the NewBeeDrone injector here, which is the charger, which I can plug in to the wall with one of the iPhone chargers, or just go straight into a computer. Basically, that goes in here. All the batteries are in the little carton cases. Alright, that goes in there. Somewhat. That goes in there. Boom. Now, the best part is this. So now, anywhere I go, I have this gun case, which I converted into my whoop case. And here we put transmitter, battery off the goggles. Kind of destruction here. Okay, so these go out of here. This is all just standard pick and pluck foam that is used in a lot of different cases. This one is particularly a plano gun case. I got it off Amazon. I'll find it and put a link in the description. So those go in there. Boom. Then the DSMX kit goes in there. And then I just sort of put my antennas right there. This is another charger. And this one just goes into an XT60 for a 3 or 4S battery. That goes in there with this battery as well for the goggles. And then I have battery tester. And I have yeah, that's big. Oh, the nectar injector, which kind of goes right there, or actually here is just fine. We can put that one on top. And what I really cannot miss is my NewBeeDrone neck strap, because I like to fly standing up. Put that in there. It really doesn't matter where you put it. So there we go. We got the transmitter, the Acrobee with a bunch of batteries, and tester, charger, battery for the goggles and antennas. Of course, these don't do anything with the Acrobee because it's linear, but I just happen to have them. Then we shut this down, and boom, I got a travel kit, carry it with me everywhere. And the nice thing about having this setup is that I don't have to go dig in my main FPV bag, where I pull something out to go fly one of these one day, and then I forget when I'm actually gonna go do an actual flying with the big quads. So there you have it. This is my Acrobee kit. I totally recommend you build one of these as well if you can swing an extra set of goggles and an extra transmitter. Even one of the smaller ones like the X Lite or something like that would be even better, because it takes a lot less space. You can make this a lot smaller. So yeah, thank you for watching. Thumbs up for the video. It'll really help it for people to see it. Subscribe and share. Until next time.